Wow, what is that plant? That looks amazing. Oh my goodness. This is so freaking nice. Is this a peace lily? What is this? Oh, it is a peace lily. Man. What's up, you guys? I am the ADHD gardener, where I use gardening, houseplants, and humor as a form of therapy, and I am in a greenhouse. This place is Hickory Grove Greenhouse, and they're still open in December, and I am just loving it. My glass is fogged up already as of coming in here, and I am super happy to show you guys what is in here and what plants I'm going to find. So let's go check it out. Look at the leaves on this one and the vine. Holy crap. Wow, this philodendron hope is serious. Holy shit. This is huge. Oh my gosh, goals. Goals, you guys. What is this? Dude. This one right here is this big one that's right here. Not this one, this one. Oh my gosh. Of course, you got your crotons. You got tons of peace lilies and string of dolphins, which I hope, oh my gosh, I have terrible luck with succulents. String of succulents. Dude. Holy shit. Dude. Got your little ones. Oh, you have the string of pearls, string of tears. Oh, geez. I'm gonna go crazy. That's it. I'm legit going nuts. Dude, they have them here. I'm gonna go freaking crazy in here. Yo. I think I'm gonna need a cart. Different kind of rubber plant. I have this one, but I don't have this one. Ideas. Look at this. Isn't that cool? They have my freaking plant. They have the Monstera adamsoni. Oh my gosh. Look at that fiddle. That's freaking huge. I can't take this, yo. I'm just amazed in here. I'm gonna buy a ton of plants. I came here prepared because I knew that I was gonna buy plants, and I heard a lot of great things about here. So I'm gonna go nuts in here. Watch. Look at, oh my Lord, look at this. Lord help me. Wow. This is giving me great creative ideas. Wow. Wow. This looks like a pilea, but don't quote me on that. Jeez, this is so freaking nice. These look like mothballs. Ha, that sounds funny, but you know, I'm sure I can recreate one of these. Oh wow, they have them up here too. Look at this. One can dream of having one this long. Once I get my succulents, string of succulents in order. But we have a regular string of hearts and it's flowering. Freaking amazing. Look at this plant. Look at the string of pearls. I'm surrounded by string succulents and it's amazing. Wow. How cool is this cactus? This, I'm assuming, is the succulent area. Well, a lot of them are succulents. They have a lot of different cactuses, a lot of different succulents out here, different varieties. That. Excuse me, do you know if this is a philodendron or Do you work here?
I don't.
Oh, okay. Oh, I just wondering.
No, I think it's
I wonder.
no
Oh wow, you can just lift.
benefit to being tall.
I know, isn't that great? You could just go boop. I don't know, but I love it. They have some great monsteras. Aw, see, my leaves aren't that big yet. One day, they will. One day. Philodendrons. Oh, I'm gonna get one. I'm gonna get an Addisoni. I know I am. Oh, jeez. I came here mentally prepared to drop money.
Do they still have their 30% off?
That's why I came, for the 30% off. That's exactly why I came. I'm doing a YouTube video on a plant tour. That's why I came down here, and also because of the 30% off sale. I saw it on Facebook and I had to.
I know, it's pretty crazy. I want one of everything.
I do, exactly. I don't have that. I don't have this one. I got this
I'm trying
one.
to be reasonable. It's
Look at this. You guys. I actually got my own cart that I'm gonna wheel around because I know I'm gonna put stuff in it. How cool is this? Loitering permitted. Definitely buying some strings, and I'm definitely gonna buy a dolphin because I don't have a dolphin. So let's do this. I'm telling you, I really want this one. It's not even funny, you guys. Look at this. Look at this. I want every single thing that's in this greenhouse. I don't even know which ones to pick because there's so many varieties. Hey, look at that one. So I'm wondering what else calls to me. I have a lot of Monstera deliciosas. However, I do not have a Monstera Addisoni, and I did have one that was I ordered online through a company, and it did not work out at all. So that was my fault for ordering such a tropical plant in such a cold temperature and cold season. That was not smart. So I think I may buy one here because that would be awesome. I'm afraid to find out how much the Monsteras are. I'm afraid to find out. Okay, everybody, this is my cart so far. So far, so good. So far, so good. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. So excited. I'm afraid to get these string succulents like this because I still have yet to master the strings of anything. String of pearls, string of dolphins, string of tears, string of bananas. I'm terrible at this. Well, this is nice. This one right here. That's pretty. I like that though. I like that. That's cute. I've never been a Begonia fan. Sorry, not sorry. But this one's actually quite pretty. This is cute. I'm not gonna lie. Should we buy it? I think we should. Just to have a Begonia. But to pick the one that I like, which is this one. These come out with some big fan leaves. So, here we go. Do-do-do-do-do. Ooh, they have more. Look at their watermelon peperomias. Oop, I just walked into a spider plant root. Okay. I'm collecting. Boop, boop, boop. We have a lot of collection right here. Picked up another one. But this is that silver dollar one. I've had one before, but I let it die. And that was my fault. So we're going to try again. Ooh-doo-doo. What else? What else can I find? There's so many. I'm looking for vining hanging plants. Now I'm not a spider plant fan. However, I do like the way they look when they are already longer and are, you know, developing their babies and whatnot. I like them like this. So, oh, look at the money plant right here. Oh, Oh, those are nice. Those are really, really nice. They got the starfish. Oh my God, I must have one. I must have one. I've been looking for this for so long. Starfish Sansevieria. You guys, I finally found my unicorn Sansevieria. Yes. Else, foliage baskets. I need another hanging one. So we're gonna find a hanging plant. Cute spider plant. I'm not a spider plant fan. However, I do love ferns, but they need high humidity. I'm feeling this one, whatever this is. I'm telling you, I think it's a philodendron. Oof. That is super heavy. I bet it's super expensive. Look at the length of this. Dude. Oh my goodness. I'm buying a plant. Another one. Oh, I like the cactus. Tell I got a lot of stuff? Can you tell? This is perfectly worth the drive. Perfectly worth the drive. I am so glad and happy that I came here. It was a bit of a drive for me, but it was totally worth it. 50% off pottery too? No. Those darn string of hearts. Gosh, this is gorgeous too. I would love to buy this one, but this one is expensive. I really want another one of these strings. They're so freaking pure, so freaking beautiful. So, whoops. Ow! This just pricked me. Ouch. Okay, I'm taking inventory of what I put in my cart. That's a lot of plants. I sure did. I got a lot. Okay, Jack, you got a lot of plants. Could you get any more? I'm sure I could have, but you know, hey. One thing at a time, one day at a time. Gorgeous. I knew that one was going to be expensive. I've been eyeballing that one for months. Months, that plant. I knew it.
Okay, we have everything.
Yes. And that's just my scarf. My scarf down there.
130.10.
Yeah. Okay, not bad. I thought it would be worse. Okay, cool.
Well, it was 175.
Yeah, that makes sense. I really wanted that. I think I may get another one of those. Those are so pretty. Oh, I'm so freaking happy. Well worth the trip, you guys. Well worth the trip. Come check out this greenhouse, for real. You'll be so happy.
Thanks.
Okay, so this is what happened. I did not finish the greenhouse video while I was there because I wasn't thinking about it. Since then, I have been working on my cinematography. I have learned a lot about filming, vlogs, and all that stuff. So I'm hoping that my videos in the future will be a lot better. But since then, I have gone back to that same greenhouse the next week during Christmas time because my boyfriend gave me the gift of more plants. So I wound up getting double the amount of plants from that greenhouse. Now I needed to figure out how am I going to house them all. So I built this. Well, I started building it, but my boyfriend finished it for me, and it's huge. So in the upcoming weeks, I have a video on how this was built and how I put all my plants arranged inside of there. But if you want to have a sneak peek onto the process and the video and the pictures about it as it was getting built, you can check it out on Facebook. I'm always posting on there. I ordered a Monstera adansonii from a company and I did an unboxing on it, and that kind of went sour. That kind of did not work out as well as I wanted. But you can check that video out next week. I'm going to be posting about that. And then after that is going to be on this wonderful greenhouse and how it happened. So stay tuned for all those things. I appreciate all the support from all of you guys. It is really appreciated. So if you want to show some appreciation, smash that like button for the algorithm. I really appreciate it so much. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell. I drop a video on all things gardening and houseplants, and you can catch me on Facebook and Instagram for the humor and the tons of laughter that I love to give. So until then, I will see y'all next week. Peace and love. Yo, look at that plant. It is huge. Look at it.